Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav system in the 2016 Mitsubishi Shogun. It's not the easiest system I've ever used, I've got to be honest. And I mean, you look at it from any screen. If you go to Navi menu, it's not saying route menu, and you go through all those, it's not showing you where you to put an address in. You've got map there, again map, nothing there. But down here on the right hand side there's a little checkered flag. If you click on the checkered flag, it's then giving you the destination menu. So go home, address, junction, point of interest, postal code. Click postal code. All postal codes. Right, so we'll click on there. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston. PR54JS. I will say a good thing about this is the numbers and the letters are all on the same screen, so you don't have to keep going from which to which. Now you've got there set. However, setting it doesn't do anything. So you kind of get lost there really, but what you have to do, go to all streets with Chorley Road, so click on C and it's brought up Chorley Road straight away. Set again, and now you've got the option to click start to go where you want.
If possible, make a U-turn.
It's not an easy system to use, I've got to say. It really isn't. Do what I do, use your phone. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.